I'm going to show you the superstorm that's striking on Friday the 13th, and we're going to start with the jet stream dipping down in Baja, California, or Baja, Mexico, actually. Here's the storm that stretches all the way around the Pacific Ocean to China, and here's what we got coming in today. Well, actually, yesterday on Friday the 13th, we got a square formation, straight walls. We got a pretty good jet stream push down to the south. Now, the thing about this storm is it has multiple eyes. It has the central rotation of the storm is in multiple points. So you see some straight walls, you see some corners. It should all be natural, and a cyclone should be a circular rotation. Here we see some square formation in the radar imaging. There's a square forming in the central California Valley. What they're measuring here is the radar is measuring the particles in the air, and you're getting a bounce back off of the particles. And this is at the amount of particles in the air. We've got cyclones everywhere. We got a double dip of the jet stream. It's actually buckling. And so we have a Baja California dip, then we have a Mississippi Alabama dip. This shows the cloud formations. We're going to have continued rainfall for the next month. No doubt about that. And then here's the close-up of the cloud formation again, showing the double eyes. And we'll have a close-up on that. We want to see that there's multiple spinning cyclones in the center of the storm, which is very unusual. Unnatural, actually. And we'll look at this rotation here, and we'll see two eyes right next to each other. Here's MT microconphysics, and we're looking at the straight walls. We're also looking at electrical conductivity of the atmosphere to see the cloud patterns being charged. Here's natural clouds, some natural coloring. Here's the North Pacific. We see another cyclone forming up towards Alaska. Now, across the country, we see a lot of phased array and scattered scalar electromagnetics, beam radiation, cloud control, heating, ionospheric heating, cloud heating. We have beam patterns through Florida. One of the reasons why I don't want to move to Florida, there's a lot of beaming there. Montana's controlling these systems. Montana's charging the atmosphere and adding the electrical conductivity. You can see that Montana's Doppler has been putting out that signal for about a month. You look at the earthquake chart. Due to the water, the rainfall, and the snowpack, we see the earthquakes follow the amount of rain and water and snow that we have. And that's about it. That's all I got.